In this video, we can talk about top 5 Mailchimp alternatives and competitors. Welcome to our Alternatives Co channel. If you're in search of alternatives to MailerLite, we got you covered. Today, we're unveiling the top 5 alternatives of MailerLite, including GetResponse, Brevo, ConstantContact, Mailchimp, and ConvertKit that will take your email marketing to new heights. Get ready to explore, compare, and find the perfect fit for your email marketing needs as we dive right in and unleash the power of these amazing alternatives. The first one on our list is GetResponse. GetResponse is an all-in-one marketing platform that offers a comprehensive suite of tools to allow targeted email communication. And it does this by offering excellent features like marketing automation, website builder, and SMS marketing. With its intuitive drag-and-drop editor, you can easily create professional-looking emails and customize them to suit your brand. The standout feature of GetResponse is its advanced segmentation and targeting capabilities, allowing you to send personalized messages to specific segments of your audience for improved engagement and conversions. Next up, we have Brevo. Brevo is an all-in-one email marketing and SMS marketing platform. It offers features like deal pipelines, SMS marketing, email marketing, and WhatsApp campaigns. With Brevo, you can create visually appealing emails using its drag-and-drop editor, automate your marketing workflows, and track the effectiveness of your campaigns. One standout feature of Brevo is its intuitive interface, making it easy for users to navigate and utilize its functionalities efficiently. Our third alternative is ConstantContact. ConstantContact is a popular email marketing platform that offers a wide range of features to help businesses grow their audience and engage with their subscribers effectively. It offers features like marketing automation, SMS marketing, customizable forms, and email monitoring. The platform also supports SMS marketing for real-time communication. ConstantContact's standout feature is its extensive library of stock images and allowing you to create visually engaging emails without the need for design expertise. Fourth one on our list is Mailchimp. As a leading email marketing platform, Mailchimp empowers businesses with a comprehensive suite of tools to automate and manage their email campaigns. It offers features like A/B testing, personalized onboarding, and pre-built templates. It utilizes AI-powered creative assistance for customized design elements. Its standout feature is its marketing CRM, which allows businesses to gather and analyze customer data to create personalized campaigns and drive engagement. Last but not the least, we have ConvertKit. ConvertKit is an email marketing platform designed specifically for creators, bloggers, and small businesses that offers a simple yet powerful interface that focuses on helping you build your audience effectively. It comes with key features like video automation, landing pages, email designer, and email marketing. It provides creators with the ability to easily categorize their audience based on their interests and behavior, enabling them to send targeted and relevant content to maximize engagement and conversions. One of the standout features of ConvertKit is its visual automation builder, enabling you to create complex email sequences with ease. Compared to MailerLite, GetResponse stands out with its advanced segmentation and targeting capabilities, allowing for highly personalized messaging. Brevo impresses with its intuitive interface, making it easy to navigate and utilize its functionalities efficiently. ConstantContact offers a vast library of stock images and templates for visually engaging emails. Mailchimp distinguishes itself with its marketing CRM, enabling businesses to leverage customer data for personalized campaigns. ConvertKit's focus on subscriber engagement and segmentation sets it apart, empowering creators to deliver targeted content that resonates with their audience's specific interests and behaviors. After careful research and consideration, we would recommend GetResponse as the best alternative to MailerLite. With its extensive automation capabilities, customizable templates, and user-friendly interface, GetResponse offers a comprehensive email marketing solution that can meet the needs of businesses of all sizes. Its advanced features and intuitive platform make it a strong contender and a top choice for users seeking a robust email marketing platform. And there you have it, the top 5 MailerLite alternatives with their standout features. Choose the one that suits your email marketing goals and take your campaigns to the next level. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.